Hey, what's up guys? We are cracking away at the final details of Operation Snowflake before we head to the DPI Expo, the Ultimate Callout Challenge, and of course the Alligator live truck build. And obviously it's 200 power right now. We're finishing up the last little bit of the nitro gears along with that 4-inch BDS lift kit. And like I've said through, I don't know, a dozen videos now, kind of a laundry list of parts we're putting into this, from the compounds to the bumpers, wheels, tires, obviously lift kit and gears, and just a slew of other things. We have some dual fuelers going into this. But one of the puzzle pieces we're missing in this build is injectors. And so we are hooking up with Industrial Injection to throw some sticks in this. Oh, wait, what's up, dude?
Somebody say, awesome.
What's up, dude? Good to see you over there. Where'd you come from?
I snuck in through the back.
Oh.
I didn't want anybody to stop me coming in, so.
You're tricky, aren't you?
Yeah, I am, yeah, sneaky.
So you got a little gift for me, it looks like.
Yeah, brought you a set of our 60 horsepower DFly injectors for your truck. This is it. Let's open them up, see what you got, dude. Right
on, buddy. Well, yeah, these 60s will, I think, go great being the emission compliant build we're doing, that ultimate tow truck build.
Absolutely.
Going for, 600, 650 is probably about prime. And yeah, like I said, keeping everything emission compliant. You know, these injectors are going to be, I think, right in that size frame to hit that.
Absolutely.
Just perfect.
Nice and clean, going to go along well with the air mods that you're doing and the dual fueler setup. These are going to run great. Gonna be very clean, very responsive, fantastic set of injectors for this project.
Perfect. And you said that this is pretty much someone that jumps onto our website, purchases a set of injectors from you guys, they get this full box there.
Yep. This is exactly how it's going to show up. You've got obviously your box here that's going to house everything. It's going to have all your serial number tags, all your RGA tags, make it really easy to get the core back. Once you open up the box, you're going to have, obviously you're going to get a sticker, some other promotional items. One other thing you're going to get is a flow sheet. It's going to tell you exactly what the injectors are going to do depending on pulse width and pressure and things like that. So
probably helps out with the guys that'll be tuning it.
It does, yes. This is fantastic for your tuner. So if your tuner does have any questions about injector, what the size is, anything like that, you can send them a copy of this, and this makes it a million times easier for them to tune them.
Perfect. And then underneath the old curtain there.
Boom.
Boom. So
what we've got here, like I said, is a set of our in-house remanufactured 60 horsepower injectors. It's about a 15% over injector. Gonna come really, really well packaged. And these have gone through our state-of-the-art fuel shop. Basically what we do is we start in our clean room. Every single part in this injector gets replaced.
Right.
All brand new internals, brand new Bosch nozzle, brand new Bosch solenoid. From there it goes to our Bosch test bench. We then calibrate them there. Obviously pass 100% on the Bosch test bench.
And if no one's been to your facility before, it's a state-of-the-art, Bosch approved. They come in quarterly to check out your guys' facility. I mean, you guys keep certain things at a room temperature, everything as, clean room pressure, like I said, temperature, everything's checked multiple times. It's thrown through test stands. You have people there just checking shims like all day long, kind of a monotonous job there. But yeah, that's one of the reasons why we continue to go with you guys on, at least for my trucks anyway. I've gone through Industrial on all my injectors for the past 10 years. And, obviously, your guys' packaging is great, your testing facility is great, and the performance of your guys' gear is awesome.
Yeah, nice thing about these, you can feel good that you're going to open up this box, put them in the pickup truck, and they're going to work exactly as they're supposed to every single time.
That's a big deal.
Absolutely. Nobody wants to do this job twice.
No, never. Right on, buddy. Well, I appreciate everything you and Industrial Injection has done for us. There's no way I could do this build without you guys. And if you are at the show, at the Ultimate Callout Challenge show, the DPI Expo, come and check out the Alligator live builds. We're going to have this 6.7 that we're building in one booth, and we also have that 3-liter Power Stroke to be building all day through that 3-day period of time, and doing a full transformation from these stock platforms to the fully built setups that we're doing. And if you can't make it to the show, follow along in our video series. We're going to have live videos the days of the show, and we'll be posting it on our Facebook and our Instagram and our YouTube channel.